Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name Aveeno. This is their Calm and Restore for Sensitive Skin Oat Gel Moisturizer. I paid $22 for this moisturizer and we get 48-gram product. Aveeno is a drugstore brand. I don't understand why this product is so expensive. Same with this serum, $22 for this serum. Like, I literally want to fight. Like, why are these products so expensive? This moisturizer is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. This is actually a silicone based moisturizer. This is not fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, Aveeno is not cruelty free. So this has oat flour higher in the ingredient list, and this also has oat extract. Both are very soothing and very calming. Both are anti-aging as well. Both help with redness. This also has panthenol, centella extract, and feverfew. These are also soothing and calming ingredients. Centella is the last ingredient, but it's there. And this moisturizer has different silicones. Dimethicone is the third ingredient. Dimethicone lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. I really like using dimethicone based moisturizers in summer because dimethicone is very lightweight, it's very breathable, it'll make you sweat, but it lock the moisture in really well. So let's talk about my experience with this moisturizer. Last year I tried this cleanser from the same range. I love this cleanser so much. I tried it in winters. I loved it so much. And in summer, I always used foaming cleansers, and I was using a foaming cleanser, but I missed using this cleanser and I purchased it again. I'm using it. It's extremely hot and humid here these days, and I'm using it, working absolutely fine. Love this cleanser, so gentle on the skin. Because I was so impressed with this product, I thought I will try their moisturizer. And I am in love. I loved this moisturizer so much, I purchased the serum as well. If you watch my videos regularly, then you know I struggle with this rash on my neck. I've been struggling with this rash since 2019. It's been 3 years. And last year it got really bad. I went to a doctor and they said it's a heat rash. But in winters, I was struggling with this rash again. And I went to another doctor. They said it's eczema. I tried a lot of products and they always used to help calm this rash down, but they never healed this rash. But oh my god, you guys, can you see? It's almost gone. It's not itchy anymore. It's not red anymore. You can still see it's there, but oh my god, it's not red and itchy anymore. This moisturizer worked. Actually, not only this moisturizer, this whole skincare line worked. I can't use every cleanser on my neck because they burn my neck. This one I use every single day without any issue. And since I started using this moisturizer, this rash is so calm. Like, you can see the difference. You can actually see the original color of my neck now. And in my experience, this also helped with redness a lot. I have redness around my nose. And since I started using this product, this serum as well, since I started using these products, the redness around my nose is a lot calm. This moisturizer and this serum, both are a dream to use after shaving. Oh my god, you guys, so soothing and so calming, doesn't sting, doesn't burn. Literally a dream to use after shaving. I live in a very hot and humid country. It is extremely hot here these days. Using this product, this is the first time my skin is not red. In summer, my skin get really red. I actually get a lot of compliments. People always say, "Oh, your cheeks look so rosy," even though my cheeks are always hurting when they're red. So since I started using this product, actually this whole skincare line, my cheeks are not red this year. I'm actually really surprised about that. These products work really well if you have redness prone skin. And I find these products very soothing and very calming. I use this Purito AHA BHA refreshing solution. It has 7% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. That product is very strong. Since I started using this skincare line, this whole line, my skin is handling active ingredients so well. Like I said, I live in a very hot and humid country. Anything slightly heavy make me sweat because it's just really hot here. Weather is on the extreme side. This moisturizer don't make me sweat. This serum don't make me sweat as well. Oh my god, you guys, I'm in love. Like I don't know what to do anymore. Like I literally want to marry these products. I'm in love. This moisturizer look very thick, but it feel very light on the skin. For some reason, it look very thick, but it feel really light on the skin. Not only I'm in love with this moisturizer, love the cleanser, but I really like the serum as well. The serum is very lightweight, extremely lightweight, but very deeply hydrating. The reason why I purchased this serum was this moisturizer. I find it moisturizing but not very hydrating. When I was using it, I just felt like there was something missing. And I purchased this serum, and these products work really well together. It's been 3 weeks since I started using this moisturizer, and it's been 5 days since I started using this serum. These products work really well together. This give you all the moisture that you need, and this give you all the hydration that you need. If you live in a colder country, I will recommend this moisturizer to people who have oily skin. I think you will really enjoy this. If you live in a very hot and humid country, then this is for combination skin. And if you have dry skin, I think you will be fine using it. But if you have really dry skin, this is not going to be enough for you. Like I said, this look thicker but feel very light on the skin. So definitely a good option for combination skin and oily skin if you live in a very colder country. I will recommend you to apply these products when your skin is still damp. These work really well on damp skin. Not every moisturizer work when you apply them on damp skin. Some moisturizers they leave your skin very tight and dry. This doesn't leave your skin tight and dry. This work really well on damp skin. But yeah, love the skincare line. I will highly recommend you to give these products a try. I think you will really enjoy this, especially if your skin is sensitive and you use actives. You're going to love these products. Your skin handle actives so well when you use these products because these products are so soothing and calming. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.